Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with HubSpot. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Type the URL directly into your address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, sign in using your HubSpot credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account where you want this integration set up, since you'll need the right permissions to install marketplace apps. After signing in, go to the main navigation bar at the top of the screen and look for the Marketplace option. Click it, then select HubSpot Marketplace from the dropdown. This is where you'll find all available integrations and apps that extend HubSpot's functionality and connect it with other tools in your workflow. Once you're inside the marketplace, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type Pipedrive and press enter. This will display all available integrations related to Pipedrive, making it easy to find the official connection without scrolling through multiple apps. From the results, click on the Pipedrive integration tile. This opens the App Details page where you can review what the integration offers. Take a moment to read the overview, check compatibility requirements, review pricing if applicable, and look through user feedback so you fully understand how it works before installing. When you're ready, click Install App or Connect App depending on your HubSpot plan. You may be asked to confirm permissions or authorize the connection. Go ahead and approve these prompts to continue the setup. Next, you'll be redirected to log in to your Pipedrive account. Enter your credentials and sign in. This step links both platforms together and allows secure data sharing. You'll also be asked to grant permissions so HubSpot and Pipedrive can sync information properly. Review these permissions carefully before accepting. Once access is granted, the integration will be activated. Your data will now begin syncing between HubSpot and Pipedrive, helping both systems stay aligned and up to date automatically. This eliminates manual data entry and keeps your sales process running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Pipedrive with HubSpot. Open HubSpot, go to the marketplace, search for Pipedrive, install the app, and connect your account. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.